Hi everyone, this is Grace. How are you? You know, we would live up to age 100 and we would be working until age 80. So let's redesign your life. For the past couple of years, not for a couple of years, but couple of days, I share with you how to create a very good New Year's resolution to make it SMART. SMART stands for specific, measurable, assignable. R is for realistic, and the T time-based. So I'm sure you spend the last 2 days to come up with thinking about your New Year's resolution. So today, I'd like to share with you how to stick to it. You know, many people come up with a great plan, but that was a plan. They don't put into practice, and within 3 days or less than a week, people just forget about it. They cannot carry through. You know, your persistence and the practice makes you perfect. So I'd like to share with you something. Do you believe in law of attraction? I do, because that's what happened to me. What happened was, about toward the end of last year, I bought my new MacBook Air. And I bought this graphite. And, you know, on the way to Apple Store, I found a stationery store, which was brand new. I didn't notice it, but I found the stationery store. I just walked in. Then guess what? I found this one. It's a daily calendar. See, Life Hacks 2019 calendar. So I'm always curious what the life hacks are. So I just happened to get it just for, for the heck of it. So I bought it, and then every day they have a very good, piece of advice. And this is what they say. They say, to help stick to your New Year's resolution, make the goal part of your password, so that you can constantly remind of it. Isn't it clever? Make your New Year's resolution part of your password, so that every day, every time you log into your account, online account or company account or computer, you have to type in your password, right? So make your New Year's resolution part of your password. How clever! So it's like your daily reminder. And most likely, you can stick to your goal. And probably, if you can do that, by the end of this year, New Year's Eve, December 31st of 2019, you will be a totally different person. Your life might be transformed. So try it, and I'm going to try it too. Okay? That was a short and a quick advice today. I'd like to share with you. That's something I got from here. This is a law of attraction. I happen to attract this daily calendar. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.